Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Headlight 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee passenger side. Easy method. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the ignition, and opening the hood. Remove the plastic cover behind the headlight with a trim tool, then use a 10 mm socket to loosen two fasteners. Pull the housing slightly forward, reach behind to twist out the bulb holder, and swap in the new bulb securely. Begin by unclipping the plastic access cover behind the headlight to expose fasteners and connectors. Use a 10 mm socket to loosen, but not fully remove the two bolts holding the housing. Gently pull the housing forward enough to access the rear without stressing clips. Press the wiring harness release tab and pull the connector straight out to avoid bending pins or damaging the socket while you prepare to swap the bulb. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise and pull it out to access the bulb. Remove the old bulb by pressing and twisting if needed, then install the new bulb by its base, avoiding contact with the glass to prevent hot spots. Reinsert the bulb holder and twist to lock, push the housing back into position, and tighten the 10 mm bolts snugly. Reattach the plastic cover, reconnect the battery, and test the headlight operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.